In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a welcome series kit. This will help you automatically send a set of welcome emails to new subscribers right after they join through a form or a landing page. By the end of this walkthrough, you will have a complete welcome sequence running, and it will be connected to the right visual automation trigger. To begin, go to the Automate section and find Sequences. Once you are there, click on the button to create a new sequence. You will see an option that says New Sequence, usually with a plus sign. Click that, and it will open the setup area where you can build your email series. Next, you will want to give your sequence a clear name. Choose something that makes sense for your workflow, such as a welcome series label, so you can find it easily later. After you enter the name, click Create Sequence. This matters because a clear name helps you manage multiple sequences without confusion as your automations grow. Now that the sequence exists, you will draft your emails. Take your time here and make sure each email matches the purpose of the welcome period. For each email, set the timing for when it should send. Timing is important because it controls the pacing of your onboarding. You can decide how quickly the first message goes out, and then space the next ones so your subscriber has time to read and engage. Once each email is drafted and the timing is set, you will change their status to published. This is a key step because a draft email will not send automatically. By publishing the emails, you confirm that the content is ready for automation to use. After you have your email sequence prepared and published, it is time to connect it to an automation that triggers the sequence. Go to Automate Visual Automations. In that area, look for the option to create a new automation, usually labeled as New Automation with a plus sign. Click that to open the Visual Automation Builder. In the Automation Builder, you will set the trigger first. Choose the trigger that matches when you want the welcome series to start. Select when a subscriber joins a form or a landing page, or select a specific tag if that matches how you capture subscribers. This step is crucial because the trigger determines which subscribers receive the welcome emails and when they begin receiving them. Next, you will add an action to connect the trigger to your email sequence. Click the plus button inside the automation flow, then select Action. From the options under Action, choose Email Sequence. After you do that, you will be prompted to choose the specific email series you created earlier. Select your welcome series so the automation knows exactly which sequence to run. At this point, the trigger and the action are connected. The final step is to turn the automation on. Look for the status control in the top right corner of the interface and toggle it to live. When it is set to live, the automation begins operating according to your trigger and action settings. Before you walk away, it is also helpful to confirm that everything is connected the way you intended. Make sure the sequence is published, the trigger is correct for the form, landing page, or tag you selected, and the automation action points to the right welcome series. Taking a moment to verify this helps prevent situations where subscribers do not receive the intended emails. And that covers everything you need to know. You have created a welcome series email sequence. You set the timing and published the emails, and you connected that sequence to a visual automation that starts when subscribers join your form or landing page. And that is all there is to it.